Hi, my name is Nick. I'm the owner at the new Tint World here in North Raleigh, North Carolina. Our store is located at 13411 Falls of Neuse Road. At our location, we offer tint, PPF, and ceramic coating. We also specialize in mobile electronics, detailing, and truck accessories. We got a full custom-built showroom, beautiful back work area, lots of show cars, lots of demonstration vehicles. We can show you who we are, we can show you what we're working with. Here at Tint World North Raleigh, we're very passionate about our vehicles. We absolutely love cars. We like to get folks in, work with them, get to know them, understand their needs, and really find the perfect solution for their budget, their preference, and what we can offer here. We're really big on building relationships. Come on down, we love to talk cars. Come in, hang out, we'll find something great for you and your vehicle.